Hello guys, welcome back for one more quick review video on Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and the Vivo NEX 3. So let's get started. Both of these devices have really good screens, and the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus has 6.4 inches Super AMOLED display, and the Vivo NEX 3 got 6.84 inches Super AMOLED display as well. So as you can see on the screen, both of the screens look really stunning. Now both of the phones are really big in sizes, but when you compare it to Vivo NEX 3, I mean it is really big, giant phone, almost 1 inch bigger than the Samsung S10 Plus. Let's talk about the front facing cameras quickly. As you can see, Vivo NEX 3 got a pop-up 16 megapixel with LCD flash camera, and Samsung S10 Plus got 10 megapixel plus 8 megapixel of depth camera. Let's hear the audio qualities on both the devices quickly. I have to give the audio quality to the S9 Plus because of the Dolby Atmos, and Vivo NEX 3 could have done better, to be honest. Let me just quickly show you guys how long it takes for the application to open on these devices. I think both the devices should perform fairly quickly. As you can see, YouTube, it's not much of a difference. I think they are pretty much same when it comes to opening and closing the applications. Yeah, I think it is same. I can't see any difference, so I have to say that both the devices are same when it comes to opening applications. When it comes to downloading application, for example, right now I'm downloading a game. I think Vivo NEX will be faster because of the dual Wi-Fi connection at the same time. For example, Vivo can use two Wi-Fi's at the same time. So as you can see, Vivo NEX was the first one to download that game, and the Samsung S10 Plus was the second one. And in opening the game, I think both the devices are pretty much close to each other. Let's talk about the operating system. So on Samsung S10 Plus, it's Android 9.0 Pie with One UI operating system, and on the Vivo NEX 3 it is Android 9.0 Pie with Fun Touch 9.1. The main camera on the Vivo NEX 3 is massive 64 megapixel camera plus 13 megapixel camera and another 13 megapixel, and on the Samsung S10 Plus is 12 megapixel plus 16 megapixel and another 12 megapixel of the camera. As you can see on the Vivo NEX 3, it is more brighter picture compared to the Samsung S10 Plus. Let's just do a quick zoom in to see the quality of the picture. If it gets distorted, I think definitely on the Vivo NEX 3 the image seems to be a little bit distorted, but nonetheless I think both of the devices have fairly good cameras. I think the Samsung S10 Plus is more blend in with the floor I'm recording on right now. It is nice to see that rainbow effect on the floor I'm recording on. Vivo NEX 3 has a 4500 milliamp hour battery, and on the Samsung S10 Plus we got just 4100 milliamp hour of battery. Samsung does support wireless charging, but Vivo have just normal cable charging. Let's talk about resolution quickly. So on Vivo NEX 3 we get 1080 by 2056 of pixels. The screen, I have to say, on the Vivo NEX 3 is stunning. They call it the waterfall display. I think in 2019 this is the one of the best screens we got right now. As you can see, it just blends in the corners, and you can barely see the side bezels on the device. As you can see, it is really stunning. And on the Samsung S10 Plus we got 1440 by 3040 pixels of resolution. So guys, if you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as these videos take a lot of time and effort, so a subscription would be really appreciated. I upload videos pretty much every day, so a subscription would be really appreciated. Thank you very much, guys.